Díomh gach duine. So it's legs of Alia. Seachtain fiche sa shock. So week 27. Lá hain, day 1. Lahanach céad is a sé. Page 106. Cuireadh Breithe.
Cuireadh Breithe.
A chara, targadí a chóisir. Bei me níam líana díos de saharn. Bei kosher siúl im gárdín. Bei prab chasláán agus fear grín ann. Ag tosú ag a dóchlag. Ag críochnú ag a cúigechlag. Slán, Colin.
Okay, so Cuireadh Breithe is a birthday invitation, and here's the letter. Here is the birthday invitation. Akara, my friend, tar godima kosher, come to my party. Bei me, name Lena Dish, day Saturn. I will be 9 years old on Saturday. Bei, or beg, some people say bei, some people say beg. Bei kosher shul imogardin. I will have a party on imogardin in my garden. Bei prab cashlon agus far grin an. Bei is there will be a prab cashlon. Now cashlon is a castle, bouncing castle, agus far grin. A far is a man, a grin is funny, so a funny man or a clown there. Ag tusu, starting ag a do o'clock, starting at 2 o'clock. Ag creaknu, finishing ag a cúig o'clock, finishing at 5 o'clock. Slán, goodbye, from Colin.
Ceistena, ceiste hain. Cahanna veg Breithe Colin.
So, Cahanna veg Breithe Colin. When will Colin's birthday be? So you're going to have to start that question off with Bei. Now you're going to drop the H. B-E-I-D-H. Bei, or beg Breithe Colin, and then you put in the day after that.
Ceiste do. An megan kosher siúl sa teach.
Will the party be going on sa teach? Okay, so the answer to on meg will be beg, which is B-E-I-D-H, or níveg, which is an N-I-fada, B-H-E-I-D-H. So you're going to actually have to start this. It didn't happen in the house, so you're going to have to start this one off with níveg on kosher shul sa teach.
Ceiste 3. Céim tam a hosóí an kosher.
So céim tam a hosóí. So you're going to have to start this off with tosóí on kosher. The party will start at, and then you put the time in. Well done, everybody.